Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Subaru Forester. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, you have a rear backup camera, a factory trailer hitch, and this Forester is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. Plenty of room here in the hatch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, as well as dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Forester on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.